Alright, so lecture 3 video 2, this is just displaying the code that I actually put in. So if we go back here, we'll just go ahead and restart the app. Maybe. Alright, so that restart failed. I'm just going to go ahead and run the app on the emulator again. Alright, so that just finished up, so now we're on a fresh slate. So the part of the program that I added was the divide function. So you enter a number just like before, let's say 25 divided by 5, multiple of 10, and we'll hit divide. Okay, go to submit. Scale 10, compute, and so 250 divided by 50 gives us 5. Let's go back, let's say multiple of 1, submit, should just be 5, so compute gives us 5. Go back, let's say multiple of 100, submit, and then, yeah. So all the options work, and that's the divide function I added in.